So hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I will tell you how can you write a program to print sum of first 10 natural numbers using for loop. So first we have to declare a variable in which we will store the values of first 10 natural numbers. So I have written here sum equals to 0. And then we have to use for loop for I in range. Starting point is 1 and then till 11, and then sum equals to sum plus, here we have to write I as first we have to add 1 and then 1 plus 2 and then 4 plus 5, and then we have to sum it all. You can understand. So here you can see the sum of first 10 natural numbers are 55. So this is the correct answer. So this is how you can write a program in Python to print sum of first 10 natural numbers using for loop. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.